So I did a quick update on the budget poly greenhouse. The plastic's in still really good shape on the third season now, but all of the screens were damaged and the bunnies were getting in. So I made nice little wooden frames and stapled on like your normal like home screen to it. So no more issues with bunnies jumping in. I can still close the little flaps. And then since last year I did the wooden door like I showed you guys, I added a little window in the front as well. Some Velcro on the bottom, and then a little Velcro spot on the top. Added a little cage here for the door stopper so it holds the door at a perfect spot, and it allows a little bit extra protection. Like I said, all the windows on the inside. Got the nice wood frame. It looks good. It looks nice and clean. Temperature's been a lot better with the exhaust system, the fan. Potatoes are almost done. But yeah, upgraded windows. Tomatoes are just taking off. These things are huge. But yeah, just quick update. If anybody's been following along with the poly build, it's been working really well. Now that the screen door, I'm liking it. Looks clean. But I just used the free strapping at Home Depot. So if you go to Home Depot, this is the piece of wood that's between all of your deck boards, your fence boards, and they just throw them out usually. So I asked if I can have them. They're all pressure treated. Picked up enough that I could cut them for the window frames, and I probably could have went back and grabbed more if I wanted to put actual frames on the outside and like squish the screen in if I wanted to. It looks way nicer now, way more professional, and like I said, keeping the bunnies out. They keep eating all my beans. Grrr. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Peace, love, and cheers.